Hello, I am Sanjay Mathe, Assistant Professor, MCA Department, ISMR, Nigdi, Pune. In this video, we are going to see what are the operators available in Python program. So first of all, let's see what is operator. Operator that can perform certain mathematical or logical operation to manipulate the data values and produce a result based on some rules. Generally, whenever you are saying operator, it comes with the operand. So there are mainly two types of operator. One is unary operator, one is binary operator. A plus B. Now in this case, A and B are the operands and plus is the operator. A star B. Again, you are having A and B as a operand and star is a operator. So whenever you want to perform, whenever you want to manipulate any data, you want to process any data, whenever you want to apply some rule or you want to calculate something, in that case we need to go for the operators. So there are several operators which are available in the Python. So here I have given one example, some examples that 4 plus 8, 12. So here 8 plus is what the operator and 4 and 8 are the operands. Again here I am assigning 10 to the number 1 and number 2, and then I am doing the addition. So here again you are using the operator equal to, that is assignment operator, and plus operator. In this expression, sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. In this case, we are using two operators is equal to, that is assignment operator and plus operator. So these are the operators which are available in Python programming or Python language. Arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, and bitwise operators. Arithmetic operators are those operators which are generally used for doing the arithmetic operations. Assignment operator, you can assign the value. These are the shorthand operators which are combined with equal to and the arithmetic operators. The third one, comparison operator. Under this, we are use this operator for comparing the two operands or two values in the conditions. Logical operator, this is also the way to use it in the comparison. And the last one, bitwise operator, which we are going to see again. In that, we are manipulating directly the bits. So first of all, arithmetic operator. Under the arithmetic operator, all of you are knowing that we are having plus. So here I have shown already. Here we are having plus, we are having minus to subtract two operands, start for multiplication, division operator. This is what the modulus operator to get the remainder. Then you are having the double star, that is exponent. We have using this operator we can get 2 raised to 3 if I want to find out. So you can use this double star to get the answer. This is one more, the additional operator, which is generally not in C, C++, it's in Java, that is double slash. This is called as floor division operator. So this will return the integral part, the closest integral part of any division. Generally, in this division operator, it will return the float value. See here, for example, and the value of P is 2 and the value of Q is 3. Here it is mentioned. Now, for example, I am writing Q divided by P, that is 3 divided by 2. So whenever you are dividing 3 by 2, it comes 1.5. But generally, whenever you are using this in the previous languages, slash, it will, here you are having the integer, here you are having the integer. So the result will be 1. It provides the integer 1. But in this case, it will provide the float value. But if you want the integer value, in that case, you can go for the double slash. So double slash will give you the integral part, the closest integral part. So these are the arithmetic operators. So these are some examples, 10 plus 35 and minus and all that I have shown. So here this is important. 10,2025 divided, that is floor division divided by 10. You are getting the closest integral part. And here you are getting this float value. Yeah, even though it is integer, this is integer, it is not returning the integer result, it is returning the float value. Next one is assignment operator. So assignment operator is, just I said you, that it is a combination with equal to and the arithmetic operators. So here is equal to is one assignment operator which you can assign the value from right to left. Assigning the values from the right side operand to the left side operand. Plus equal to is nothing but, here you have written z plus equal to p is equivalent to z is equal to z plus p. So you can write this operator like this, z minus equal to p. So here it is nothing but z is equal to z minus p. So these are all arithmetic operators we can combine with equal to and get the expressions. So here I have shown you some examples. Q slash equal to p, q mod equal to p, that is q star double star, that is exponent equal to p, q slash slash equal to p. This is the syntax for using the assignment operator. Yeah, this is very important, therefore I kept this written in red. Increment operator or decrement operator, unary increment and unary decrement is not provided by Python. So in this is not post increment, pre increment, post decrement, pre decrement, unary operator which we are using in the previous language C, C++, and Java, that is plus plus, minus minus. So that is not in Python. Very important. The second and third type is comparison operator. Comparison operators, you are using this comparison operator for comparing the values, comparing the operands in the conditions, that is generally in the if condition or in the while condition. Double equal to, we are checking whether both values are same or not. Not equal to, if two values are not same, we need to compare. Less than, this is greater than, less than equal to, and greater than equal to. So these are the values, or these are the operators for which we need to compare. So here we have given the example, p is less than q is not true, because p is 10, q is 20. So this is true. Here you are comparing p, that is 20. 10 is greater than 20. 10 is, p is 10. The value of p is 10. The value of q is 20. So it is, so here p is greater than q. It's not true because p is less. That is false. It's false. P is less than q. Yes, it's true. P is greater than or equal to q, it's false. So that is what the thing. So this is, again, we can compare the strings, we can compare the words, we can compare even the Boolean values also using the comparison operator. Last, that is a logical operator. This is the second last actually. Logical operators are the operators which we can have the relation, that is and, or, and not. And if you want to compare, if you want to check the two conditions compulsory, so in that case we can go for the and. Whenever we want this or this, in that case we can go for the or, and this is a negation operator, that is reverse state. So here we have taken C. 10 is less than 0 and 10 is greater than 2. So both conditions should be true. So in that case I can go for the and. If I want that from these two conditions any is true, then I want to execute some statements. So you can go for or. So that is not, whatever the answer you are getting, that is negated, that is complemented, and then it will be compared with the or. So this is the logical operators. Yes, this is very important, short circuit. In logical operators, you are using the short circuit evaluation. What do you mean by short circuit? Short circuit means what? In the AND condition, if the first condition is true, then only the for all the next condition will be checked. But if the first condition is false and is there, so in that case, that remaining conditions are skipped because everything with the false will be false. So therefore it will not be checked. That is what the short circuit. Same with the OR also. If the first condition is false, then it will be checked to the next condition. If first condition is true, then everything will be skipped because everything with the true will, or if you are writing, you knows that true or true, you will get true. True or false, you will get true. Therefore, no use to check the remaining condition if the first condition is true. That is the short circuit valuation. The last one is bitwise operators. So these operators are generally used for changing the bits, manipulating the bits of the operands. So this is AND, this is OR, this is XOR, then it is a complement, then this is left shift, and this is the right shift. So these are the operators which you want to, if you want to manipulate the bits, you can use directly these operators. So these are the certain examples how we can use it. P and Q is equal to 12. Means what, you are combining P and you are applying the AND operations or AND bitwise operator, and you are getting with the Q, and you will get the 12. So I have shown you that example here. See. Whenever you are performing AND operation, all of you are aware with the truth value, truth table, that is 0, 1 for AND. That is 0, 1, you will get 0, 0, 0, you will get 0, 1, 1, you will, in the AND condition only, whenever 1, 1 is there, you will get 1. Else, everywhere you will get the 0. In OR, either of the two, from both or from the two, if anybody is 1, any bit is 1, you will get 1. That is 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. That is what OR. Exclusive, if both bits are same, then you will get 0, or then if both bits are not same, you will get 1. See here, that is XOR. 0, 1, that is both are not same, 1. If both are same, you are getting 0. If both are same, you are getting 0. Here, both are not same, you are getting 1. This is XOR. Complement, negative. 0 will become 1, 0 become 1, 1 becomes 0, 1 becomes 0. That is opposite of this one. Left shift. You are shifting these 4 bits to the left side. 2 by 2. So here, instead of writing 0, 0, these 4 bits will shifted here, and you will get appended 2 zeros at the last. This is same as the right shift. So this is the bitwise operators. So this is what the thing. So see, these 4 bits I want is shifted, want to shift to the left side. So this one will be shifted here, this one here, this one here. Due to this all shifting, the 2 places will become here. So here in these 2 places, the 0 are inserted. Precedence and associative. This is very important because if the expression is there, which particular operand or which particular expression should be evaluated first. So for that, we are having the expression and associativity. So here, highest priority is given to the parenthesis, then you can have the priority to the exponent. Then you will have the unary plus, unary minus, or bitwise not. Then you will have the arithmetic operators, that is first of all small star, modulo, division. Then you are having the priority to plus minus, then bitwise shift operators. Then you are having the bitwise and or XOR, then comparison operator. Then you are having the identity or membership operator. This we are going to say again. And then at the last, we are having the priority to the or precedence to the logical operators. Thank you. Thank you very much. In the next video, we are going to see the identity and membership operator.